Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless drills that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch CLPK232A181 Cordless Drills Driver Impact Combo Kit. A great cordless drill is worth investing since it makes drilling work a breeze. Bosch CLPK232A181 cordless tool is an ideal consideration due to its versatility. The combination of drilling and driving ability gives a professional performance which you won't regret buying it. For enhanced performance, the device comes with DDS 181 clutch settings which efficient in torque transfer. With 2-speed setting, no more hassle when drilling or driving screw. Working using this drill brings versatility with 7 inches head which allows it to get into hard-to-reach areas. It can be used for overhead drilling due to ergonomic design which incorporates speed-adjusting trigger. When driving in nuts, this device is ideal as it has 1,500 inches per torque at 2,800-3,000 revolutions per minute. With this capability, it can drive in a 3 by 1/4 of an inch in a second's time. The drill comes with two 18 volts 2.0 Ah batteries which are fast charging to provide smooth working. A carrying bag offers easy carrying and proper organization of drills and other accessories. Moving on at number 4, we have the Porter Cable PCCK604L 220 volts Cordless Drills Driver. For drilling and impact driving, Porter Cable PCCK604L 220 volts cordless drill is here for you. Its design allows excellent performance, thus ideal for application in many uses. With its motor which delivers 1,500 rotations per minute, it means your drilling just got simpler. Additionally, the 2-speed setting is ideal especially when getting down to the complex drilling task. To improve working efficiency, it has LED light which illuminates when working in dark conditions. The non-slipping handle provides a perfect grip whenever in operation. Apart from drilling, Porter Cable PCCK604L 220V is ideal for driving works. It boasts excellent impact mechanism which delivers 1,450 inches per pound torque at 2,800 revolutions per minute and 3,100 BPM. Unlike other drills, this one comes featuring 20 volts Li-ions battery which powers drill for an optimum working duration. Moreover, the installed battery gauge indicates remaining charge. With a lightweight and compact construction, storage isn't a nightmare. At number 3, we have the Pink Power PP182 18 volts Women Cordless Drills. Forget about manual drills which drain all your energy while delivering low performance. Now you can experience effortless drilling with this cordless drill from Pink Power. With Pink Power PP182 cordless drill for women, it makes your home maintenance and repairs smooth and quick. Unlike other drills on the market, this one ensures accurate drilling due to fitted bubble level. Additionally, upon pressing the trigger, LED lights automatically to improve visibility. For secure operations, no more manual bit changing. Power PP182 cordless drill comes with a magnetic base that enables hands-free screw and bit placement. When equipped with a battery, this drill weighs just 3.5 pounds, thus straining in your fingers or wrist due to weight stress. A keyless chuck is easy to replace while 500 revolutions per minute and 16 setting torque bringing power to your fingertips. 18 volts NiCad battery powers the drill. At number 2, we have the WORX Switchdriver 2-in-1 cordless drills. It's a sleek cordless power tool which brings joy to your work. The WORX Switchdriver cordless drill provides 2-in-1 functionality. The tool features a rotating head to minimize the time taken when replacing bits. With this, it becomes easy and quick to either drill holes or drives in screws. Therefore, switching from drilling to screwing is swift and straightforward. For additional performance, the drill boasts 2 speeds which enable it to handle all drilling and driving needs. WORX Switchdriver Cordless Drill is a friendly tool which cares for your bits as well as drilling surface. To allow this, the device features an electronic torque control. This helps in avoiding screw stripping and preventing damaging other working materials. The 12-speed setting is superb in providing ample power which enables proper driving or drilling. As a result, this drill requires less energy to operate. 20 volts battery powers this drill while LED light illuminates in dark conditions. And finally at number 1, we have the Bosch DDB 18102 18-volt cordless drills. Bosch DDB 18102 18-volt cordless drill brings the joy of easy drilling while eliminating performance-compromising weight. The compactly designed drill delivers professional drilling and driving. The 18-volt Li-ions battery is perfect for enabling the tool to have ample time before it drains, unlike some drills which offer a few minutes. With its compact and lightweight design, it means that its application is versatile and ideal even for overhead use. Equipped with Bosch DDB 181-102.5-inch driver, its working is unmatchable. Also, the motor is coupled with 2 speed settings which render this drill excellent for light and heavy-duty applications. It boasts a torque delivery of 350 inches per pound and 1,300 revolutions per minute for fast fastening and drilling respectively. Ergonomic grip brings comfort and controllability even when maneuvering places, assisted by 7.1 inches head length and LED light. 3 years warranty covers the toll, while battery enjoys 2 years warranty. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.